In this tutorial I would like to show you how to create a new path in GIMP. So first we need to go to File on the left upper corner, and after that we need to go to New. Now we need to type image size, so I type here width and height, and after that I click OK button. Now we need to open Paths tool, so I click here and I will change color of the path by clicking here, and now we need to select a color that we want to use. For example, I select here black and I click OK button. Now we can draw a simple path. So for example, I click here, I click somewhere here, and I will click somewhere here, here, and maybe here. Now we can fill path with a color by clicking here, and now we need to select color which we want to use. We can use foreground color, background color, or pattern. For example, I will select here foreground color and I click fill. How you see, color has been successfully changed. Of course, you can find your paths if you will go to Windows, the Cable Dialogs, and here you have something like Paths. It will let you to open the Paths dialog. Here you can find your path and you can make action on it and select one from available options. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. If I solved your problem, let me know about it in a comment.